Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna do a really fun, yummy, delicious and easy no bake recipe. So this is gonna be a strawberry cheesecake. It's gonna look indulgent, it's gonna taste indulgent, but it's gonna be loaded with protein. So just to start off, I'm going to be making the filling with tofu. So that's going to be that delicious creamy texture is going to come from tofu, and we're going to also add some strawberry flavored protein powder. So I'm going to be using this Origin strawberry protein, and this with like when you make this protein shake with just like a banana, it literally tastes like a milkshake, like a strawberry milkshake, maybe even with a dollop of ice cream, all of that luxury in just a protein shake. So this is going to be what we add as a strawberry flavor. I also have some fresh strawberries since they're in season right now. You're in India. My strawberries of course come from the region called Mahabaleshwar, which is where they grow. So we're going to be adding fresh strawberries that we're just going to mash. So I have this really cute little guy, and we're going to mash the strawberries in this guy, and we're going to do a little swirl action with the strawberries, so we'll do that at the very end. Our base is going to be a hazelnut chocolate base, and as you can imagine, I want maximum protein in this, so we're going to be using this Well-Being Nutrition hazelnut and chocolate protein powder. It tastes so good, like powdered version of Nutella basically. So this is going to be one of the components of our crust, and the strawberry protein is going to be one of the components of the filling. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the filling. I'm going to be using my NutriBullet today, so literally super simple, minimalistic ingredients, and equipment is also super simple. You can use a blender in the place of this NutriBullet, so whatever you have on hand. I'm going to be using my blender for the crust just to save time, and the NutriBullet for the filling, but you can just use either one. Alright, so here to make the filling, first we're going to go ahead add a banana, the protein powder, tofu, which is going to add extra protein in this yummy delicious cheesecake, and you're going to blend it all up, a splash of almond milk as well. And yeah, I'm just going to now go ahead, shake it, and add some almond milk if you need to blend it thoroughly. Alright, so now that the filling is all blended up, we're just going to pop this in the fridge so it's going to get nice and cool, and we're going to work on the crust. Alright, for the crust now, like I said earlier, I'm going to be using the blender. You can go ahead, add your steel cut oats, almonds, protein powder, and that's about it. Now for your wet ingredients for the crust, I just blended up a cup of raisins with a little bit of water just to help with pureeing them up, and you're just going to combine it nicely to make it into a dough. Then you're going to add about 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and you're just going to knead the cocoa powder into the dough, and that's going to give it a nice chocolate flavor. Alright, press it into your tart shell, and then you're going to straight pour your filling in. You don't need to really set the base because it's all essentially raw, and I've packed it well into the tart shell so it's not going to move. So you're going to shake it, spread it nicely, make sure that the filling is all the way up to the edges, and now it's time to smash little strawberries to swirl into the cheesecake. This is messy. Alright, so just dollop it all over the tart or the cheesecake, whatever you want to call it, and then swirl it in. And this is now ready to be refrigerated for about an hour. Alright, so the tart is done. It's all set. We're going to go ahead and slice it. It's so good, guys. You have to try it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys try this recipe. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any questions about the recipe.